Welcome, everyone. Do you want to publish, hide, or republish a certain section or content of your website? Here is a super simple way to schedule publishing from Elementor. Let's start. To schedule the publishing of your post or page section, we will use a powerful scheduling tool, SchedulePress. Let's open a page in Elementor to begin. First, you'll learn to publish a section from a page on your website. Now, select a section that you want to schedule to publish. Then click the Layout button. From the sidebar Layout tab, select SchedulePress. We want to make this section live after a few days. For that, select the date from the Publish On option. Choose your preferred publishing date. Choose the publishing time. Then click on Publish. See, your chosen page section is not visible right now. On your chosen publishing date, the section has appeared on the site. Now we will unpublish the section from a live page. Just select the section layout that you want to unpublish. Then, navigate to SchedulePress and select the date and time from the Unpublish On option. You are all set. Right now the section is visible, but let's check at 4:15 p.m., 22nd May 2025. Now we can see the section is unavailable. This is how you can schedule the unpublishing of a section from Elementor. Since you understand publishing and unpublishing, let's focus on republishing hidden sections. Similarly to republish the section, go to the Republish On option from SchedulePress and select the date and time. Then click Publish from the top. The unpublished section will be republished on the selected date, and that is it! Give it a thumbs up if this was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe to us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.